Hi guys, I'm Ivana. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel.
I have been enabled once again.
Thank you, Nicole W. You have inspired me. I have an unboxing. So who's excited for a Dooney Bourke unboxing? I know I am. The mail delivery came at 7:45 a.m. and it usually has been coming at 4 p.m. So this was so exciting. I get to do an unboxing first thing in the morning. So let's get on with it. It is not open yet and I'm excited. I saw this on Nicole's video. I think it was it Sunday night, Saturday night, something like that. And oh man, it just looked so beautiful on that TV. Oh, I just loved the color combination. So I decided to get something in the navy Gretta print. I had something in this print way back when, and I don't know why I sold it. Probably because I had the Timoro Brown, and I did like that one a little bit better. When I saw this on her video, I don't know what happened, but something struck me. It's gorgeous. And what really was one of the deciding factors is I had received this beautiful wallet from my gorgeous friend, Pauline Newman, and I didn't have anything to match it with. Yes, I could have matched it with many other things, and I'm not usually into matching sets. I usually like to maybe match the trim on my bags, but when you have Gretta, you gotta match a Gretta. This was such a beautiful set. Thank you, Pauline. I don't think I ever mentioned this because I wasn't doing videos at the time, but this is a stunning little wallet. And it is going to be the perfect companion to the Gretta domed zipped satchel in navy with the Sierra trim. What a combination. So look at this beautiful bag with this front zippered pocket, which works so well. And my phone will easily fit in there for easy storage. Feet on the bottom. Stuffing. Here is the strap. Also in the Sierra leather. Inside, standard Dooney setup with a zip and a slip in the back, and two leather trimmed pockets in the front. Wow, she is just a wow. I will link Nicole's video down below so you can see her reaction to this bag.
Which also is kind of the same reaction as mine.
This was on a really great sale on I Love Dooney recently. I can't remember if it was which coupon code, but they've been kind of running together. And this might have been a Cyber Monday or a Merry coupon code. I can't remember, but it was a great deal and for such a well-made bag. Now, this is that kind of matte finish that Dooney has been doing lately on the Gretta coated cotton bags, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I really prefer that more sheen that they used to do, like on the Gretchen bag. But for some reason, this is what they've been going with, and I guess it's gonna have to do. I wish there was some way to gloss it up, but really I don't think there is. If you put any sort of conditioner or oil, it kind of just goes away. I've tried that with other bags with this kind of a sheen or lack thereof. So let's talk about this strap. This strap is a little thicker than a lot of Dooney's. that I've gotten lately. I really love this beefy, chunky strap, and look at that hardware. That is a piece of hardware. It's got the two-part strap that you can remove the middle section and make it a shorter shoulder bag. Let's try it like this first. So the strap attaches on the side. There are 2 D-rings, and I like that attachment because on the regular zip satchels, this strap attaches to the handles and it makes the bag kind of wonky when you wear it on the shoulder. But this one is not wonky, at all. So let's do some mod shots. Crossbody. Nice and slim. Nice and slim. I like that. Okay from the side. I think it's kind of big and wide. I prefer to maybe carry this as a long shoulder bag or a short shoulder bag. So as a long shoulder bag, you can see she is kind of long here. So I would adjust these to the shortest setting. There's 2 places you can adjust it because it's a 2-piece strap. Now the only thing is when you do that on this one, Dooney does not give you a strap keeper, so that could get kind of wonky when this leather eventually relaxes. If it ever will, it might flop down, so I would have to figure out a way to keep that. I don't know, maybe if I attach this strap the other way. So here it is as a long shoulder. I think that's a decent length. It's not too long on me. I'm 5'5" for reference. Wow. She's pretty. She's pretty and classy. I like that about her. So let's take off this other section here. Oops, wrong way. Middle portion of the strap. And let's just do this as a short shoulder. And I like my short shoulder straps kind of on the shorter side, so I'm gonna put it on the middle hole right there. And it skims the elbow, but she looks pretty good on the short shoulder, and I think she'll be more comfortable to carry that way, because sometimes if I find that longer shoulder bags, if they're filled with too many things, it can get kind of heavy and hurt my shoulder. But if it's shorter and closer to my body here, I feel like the weight might be distributed a little different, so maybe it doesn't hurt so much. So and finally, here she is on the crook of the arm. And hand carry.
Beautiful.
I think she's absolutely gorgeous. So she is a keeper. The perfect set, I think so. Here's the tag in case anybody's interested. It does not have on here, you know, the number of whatever was in that lot, but I don't know why. I know you guys like to see that sometimes, but I don't see it on here. I will look up the measurements and put them somewhere in the video for you, and I will put all the specs down in the description box. I will also link Nicole W's video and also a link to my friend Pauline Newman's channel. She is doing Vlogmas right now, so check her out. She's doing fragrance reviews on her channel right now, and if you've ever seen a fragrance review by her, you've not seen a fragrance review, so go check her out. I do have some more unboxings coming, but unfortunately I Love Dooney is not releasing my items. It has been processing for a week, probably a week now. I've got 3 things coming. I know, don't judge me, but their sales have been so great. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would love it if you like my content and this type of thing. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. It always helps. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Bye. Oh, also, just to mention, she has a double zipper so that you can have it zip to one side or keep it in the middle with these cute little zipper pulls meeting in the middle here. I do love that option too. You can just choose to carry it with partially open, so you can just reach in and out but keep your items somewhat secure. Here is the tag if you're interested in seeing that. I don't know if you can see that. Is this going to focus? But yes, I finally took off the covers here. So that is what it looks like. Unwrapped in all of her glory. There's just something about the jingle jangle of a Dooney Bourke bag.